How to add timestamp in YouTube video. Hi guys, so in this video, I will teach you how to add timestamp in YouTube video. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So what we need to do is we just need to head over to our profile icon right here, then head over to YouTube Studio. So as you can see right here, it will head over to the YouTube Studio. And then from in there, just click on content right here and then look for the video that you want to add the timestamp into. So let's choose this one right here and click on this pencil icon on that specific video. And then after that, as you can see right here, I already added timestamp. So let's try to delete it first so we can start anew. So as you can see right here, I have recorded this timestamp right here, so I can just copy it and then paste it in here. It actually depends on you on what you want to put in your timestamp, but make sure to add in something like the minutes and the seconds and then the words that can help describe the timestamp. So on the first one right here, we have introduction, and then in here the lyrics, the next song, and another song. After that, just click on save right here. And as you can see, after it has been saved, what we need to do next is we need to click on this copy video link so I can demonstrate it to you what it looks like. So let's head over to that specific site right here. So as you can see right here, here is the video that we have. So in here, we can actually see the timestamps that we have. So if we click on that, it will actually head over to that specific part of the video. So adding a timestamp is actually the same as adding a chapter. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to add timestamp in YouTube video. If you have questions or comments, comment them down below and we'll try our best to answer them. Thanks.